and even to your next generation to come. Okay, what's number 1? Okay, number 2. Number 3. Okay, balik ko na ito ulinta. Number 1.
Extravagant giving flows from intimacy with Christ.
Next.
Extravagant giving reveals what we value most.
Last.
Giving leaves a lasting
Spiritual impact.
Sa Bible, na-record about giving. O sana, extravagant giving of Mary. Number 2, ako po nakita ang expressive giving ni King David. Ngayon si King David, I will not offer the Lord that it has cost me nothing. Expressive giving. Parang po ko ikatulungan nakita na ito, eager giving, with eagerness to give the Macedonian church. Hindi sila gusto na sila kahagad. Kung nakita po na ang Good Samaritan, dito na ito, empathic giving. Ihonog doon siya para mag-support. O yan, gidala ang usa ka tao dito sa balay ng balanan. O yan pong gibayangan. Empathic giving. Kataan ang klase ng giving. Extravagant, expressive, eager, with eagerness, empathetic. Pwede na nato malabuan ang gibuan ni Jesus. Exemplary giving. Iyan tinatag yan whole life for God. Pagkita na kasi matatamad before I end. Asa tamang klase sa giving? Extravagant, expressive, expressive ba ka? Eager giving, excited ka to give every time na doon ay challenge? Or empathetic giving? Or exemplary, si Jesus na gid ang makabuhatan na. But today, I'm encouraging you to be an extravagant giver. And God, nag-respect sa ato economic situation and capability. But God wants a heart that is more than willing to give for Him. If you are that family na muhatag o pinagdadagdag sa Ginoo today, I just want you to stand. Pag-igod